No! No! No!
You better stop! Stop!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?